establishing legal and financial foundations. Choosing the right business structure and registering your company. Starting a new business is an exciting endeavor filled with opportunities and potential for growth. One of the critical decisions you'll face as a business owner in the UK is choosing the right business structure and the subsequent step of registering your company. This decision has far-reaching implications, impacting everything from legal obligations to taxation, and it's essential to navigate this process with care to set a solid foundation for your venture. In the UK, there are several business structures to choose from, each with its unique advantages and considerations. The most common business structures include sole proprietorships, partnerships, limited liability partnerships, LLPs, and limited companies, LTD. A sole proprietorship is the simplest structure, where you're the sole owner of the business. This structure is straightforward, but it also means that you're personally liable for the business's debts, which can be risky, particularly if your business involves significant financial exposure. Partnerships are another option, suitable when two or more individuals share ownership and responsibility. While partnerships provide a shared workload and risk, it's crucial to establish a clear partnership agreement to outline each partner's roles, contributions, and liability. Limited liability partnerships, LLPs, combine aspects of partnerships and limited companies. They offer the benefits of limited liability protection while allowing partners to participate actively in the business. LLP are often favored in professional service sectors, such as legal or accounting firms. Limited companies, LTD, are a popular choice for businesses looking to establish a distinct legal identity. A limited company offers limited liability, meaning the company's debts are separate from your personal finances. This separation can protect your personal assets, but it also entails more complex administrative and financial responsibilities. Once you've determined the right business structure, the next crucial step is registering your company with the appropriate authorities in the UK. This typically involves registering with Companies House, the official government register of companies. The registration process involves providing essential information about your business, such as its name, registered address, details of directors and shareholders, and the type of business activities you'll be engaged in. The steps needed to register a company are: choose a unique name. Before registering your company, ensure that the chosen name is unique and not already in use by another business. Conduct a name search through the appropriate government agency or business registrar. Select the business structure. As discussed earlier, carefully assess the advantages and disadvantages of different business structures to determine which one aligns best with your goals and needs. Prepare legal documents. Depending on the chosen business structure, you will need to prepare the necessary legal documents, such as articles of incorporation for corporations or articles of organization for LLC. Obtain licenses and permits. Depending on the type of business and its location, you may need to obtain specific licenses and permits to operate legally. Register with government authorities. To formalize your business, register it with the appropriate government authorities, such as the Companies House. Comply with taxation requirements. Ensure that you understand and fulfill all tax obligations related to your business structure. While the process of choosing a business structure and registering your company may seem daunting, it's essential to seek professional advice to make informed decisions. Consulting with a business advisor, solicitor, or accountant can help you navigate the legal and financial intricacies involved, ensuring that your business is on the right track from the start. Selecting the right business structure is a critical decision that requires careful consideration of various factors, such as liability, taxation, and management. Each structure has its own set of advantages and disadvantages, so entrepreneurs must analyze their business goals and vision before making a choice. Once the business structure is determined, registering the company is a crucial step to establish its legal existence and ensure compliance with the law. By taking the time to understand the options and following the necessary procedures, entrepreneurs can lay a strong foundation for their business and set it on a path to success. Navigating legal requirements and regulations, a key to business success. In today's complex business environment, adhering to legal requirements and regulations is not only essential for compliance, but also crucial for the long-term success and sustainability of any enterprise. Navigating the intricate landscape of laws and regulations can be a daunting task for entrepreneurs and business owners, but it is a responsibility that must be taken seriously. This section discusses the significance of understanding and complying with legal requirements and regulations and outlines strategies to effectively navigate through this critical aspect of running a business. The importance of navigating legal requirements and regulations. Compliance and avoidance of penalties. Legal requirements and regulations are put in place to protect the interests of various stakeholders, including consumers, employees, and the environment. Compliance with these laws ensures that businesses operate ethically, reducing the risk of fines, penalties, or legal action. Reputation and trust. Businesses that prioritize compliance with legal requirements and regulations build a reputation for integrity and trustworthiness. A strong reputation can enhance customer loyalty, attract top talent, and foster positive relationships with partners and investors. Mitigation of legal risks. Understanding and adhering to legal requirements help businesses identify and mitigate potential legal risks. This proactive approach can prevent costly lawsuits and damage to the company's finances and reputation. Ensuring fair competition. Legal regulations aim to create a level playing field for all businesses. By adhering to these rules, companies can ensure fair competition and contribute to a healthy marketplace. Strategies for navigating legal requirements and regulations can include staying informed. Laws and regulations are subject to frequent changes, so it is crucial to stay informed about updates that may impact your business. Establish a system for regularly monitoring legal developments and seek professional advice if necessary. Seek legal counsel. Engage the services of experienced legal professionals who specialize in business law. They can provide valuable guidance and ensure that your company remains compliant with all applicable regulations. Develop robust internal policies. Implement internal policies and procedures that align with legal requirements and communicate them effectively to all employees. This will foster a culture of compliance within the organization. Conduct regular audits. Regularly, conduct compliance audits to assess whether your business is meeting all legal requirements. Identify areas that require improvement and take corrective actions promptly. Invest in employee training. Educate your employees about relevant laws and regulations that apply to their roles. Training sessions can help them understand their responsibilities and reinforce the importance of compliance. Maintain accurate records. Keep detailed records of all transactions, contracts, and compliance efforts. Organized documentation will help demonstrate your commitment to compliance if required during audits or legal proceedings. Build relationships with regulatory authorities. Establish positive relationships with regulatory authorities and engage in open communication. Proactively seek guidance when needed and demonstrate a willingness to comply. Navigating legal requirements and regulations is an integral part of running a successful business. By prioritizing compliance and understanding the significance of adhering to laws, businesses can create a strong foundation for growth and long-term sustainability. Embracing proactive measures, such as staying informed, seeking legal counsel, and conducting regular audits, can significantly reduce legal risks and ensure that the business operates ethically and responsibly. Ultimately, a commitment to compliance not only benefits the company, but also contributes to the welfare of society as a whole, fostering a thriving and trustworthy business ecosystem. Securing funding and managing finances effectively in business. In the dynamic world of business, securing funding and managing finances effectively are paramount to the success and growth of any venture. Adequate funding provides the necessary resources to establish and expand the business, while proficient financial management ensures optimal utilization of these resources. This essay explores the significance of securing funding, the various sources available to entrepreneurs, and the essential strategies for managing finances efficiently in business. Adequate funding is the lifeblood of any business, especially during its early stages. It allows entrepreneurs to invest in product development, marketing, infrastructure, and human resources, fostering growth and competitiveness. Sources of funding can include self-funding. Utilizing personal savings or assets is one of the most straightforward ways to fund a business. However, it carries the risk of personal financial exposure. Angel investors. Angel investors are individuals who provide capital in exchange for equity in the company. They often offer mentorship and industry expertise. Venture capital. Venture capital firms invest in high-growth potential startups in exchange for equity. They bring not only financial resources, but also strategic guidance. Bank loans. Traditional bank loans are accessible to businesses with a solid credit history, offering structured repayment terms. Crowdfunding. Crowdfunding platforms allow businesses to raise funds from a large pool of individual investors or contributors. Government grants and subsidies. Various governments offer grants and subsidies to support specific industries and encourage innovation. Ways to manage your finances and funding effectively include budgeting. Creating a comprehensive budget is fundamental to managing finances effectively. It helps allocate resources wisely, control expenses, and plan for contingencies. Cash flow management. Maintaining a healthy cash flow is critical to sustain day-to-day operations and meet financial obligations. Businesses must balance incoming and outgoing cash flows to prevent liquidity issues. Financial analysis. Regularly analyze financial statements to gain insights into the company's financial health. Key performance indicators, KPIs, help monitor progress and identify areas that need improvement. Cost control. Identify and minimize unnecessary expenses to increase profitability. Cost-cutting measures should be implemented without compromising the quality of products or services. Debt management. If the business has taken on debt, prioritize timely repayments to maintain a positive credit rating and reduce interest expenses. Investment and risk management. Carefully evaluate potential investments and assess associated risks. Diversifying investments can help protect the business from unexpected downturns. Accounting and tax compliance. Accurate accounting records are essential for tax compliance and financial decision-making. Engaging professional accountants can ensure proper record-keeping and tax filings. Securing funding and managing finances effectively are indispensable pillars of a successful business journey. Entrepreneurs must recognize the importance of sufficient funding to fuel growth and expansion. The diverse sources of funding available offer opportunities for businesses at various stages of development. Equally important is the skillful management of finances, which involves budgeting, cash flow management, financial analysis, cost control, debt management, investment, and tax compliance. By employing prudent financial strategies, businesses can thrive in competitive markets, achieve sustainable growth, and weather economic uncertainties. Effective financial management not only benefits the company, but also instills confidence in stakeholders, attracting investors, and fostering long-term success. Thank you for watching, and we hope you gained an insight into establishing legal and financial foundations. We have much more information to present for this playlist, so please consider subscribing to keep up to date.